Hello everybody, myself Akanksha Sanjay Tade. I am old student of ADSA's Easy English Speaking Classes Tellara. Today the topic on which I am going to speak is the book. So friends, do you know what is book? If I ask that what is book, then everybody will answer differently. So according to me, the definition which I have made for a book, it is the book is the ladder which makes a way to reach you towards the success. So you know, in everybody's life, everybody has a friends. Everybody has friends. Some are best, some are normal, some are very close friends. Like the same way, if I ask that who is the real best friend of you, then some may answer it is book, because book is the real friend. uh, there are lots of people which are very close to the book only, rather than the other people, rather than the society, because book is a thing which make your personality attractive and very good. So if I took the example of my mother, she is a very great lover of the book, because she is always in search of the different book, because she likes reading. So you know I can definitely say that most of you are the people who likes to read the books. Maybe they may be fairy tales book, or the historical books, or the your syllabus book, or any magazines. So all this include the book, means all things are included in the book. So books are very important in the man's life. Suppose if I focus on the advantages of the book, then the advantages are innumerable. Some of them which I can tell you at the same moment are the books. Suppose you have any exam, that time syllabus books are very important. If you didn't read it, so you will be fail in your examinations, okay? And the other books, like the historical books, the person who is preparing for the government examination, he must read the historical books, like the history of the modern India, and our constitution also. These are very important, means according to our level, everybody has a different interest and to read the book, okay? If the person who is preparing for the MPSC UPSC, he will read the syllabus books, sociology book, psychology book. This all include in the book. And the person who is in the little child who is in the KG1 KG2, he will read the that little poems which are written in that book, okay? So according to our age, our interest goes towards that book. So if we talk about every book, then books are very important. Like just imagine tomorrow is the 15 August, and you have to prepare a speech for that. So it is very important that you must have written that you must have read any one of the book which are about our great leaders, like Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, about that. Because if you know about them, you know about that leaders, that's time only you will be able to speak. Only that time you can have a good speech and you can impress other people. So this is very important, okay? So you should read the books. If you did not read it, then you have no knowledge about the anything, because like at the same moment, if anybody come and asks me that about the historical books, and about the work of the particular person, like what Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar has done for us, and if I have not read the book about them, if I have not read their biography, then I will be unable to answer them. Because if I have read, then I can be answer very confidently, and if I have not read it, then it will be shameful moment for me that I have not read even that person. Only due to him I am standing here, okay? So this is very important to read the books. These are the advantages of book. books, whenever you want any refreshment from the syllabus book, whenever you are stressed, whenever you have struggled a lot for your examination, and after that if you want any refreshment, any break in your study, that's time you can read the fairy tales. Means I take my own example. Whenever I do study, means about my schedule, that I have to do 2 hours study or 5 hours study. So after that I make myself refresh, because a mobile is also a means, but it is not very beneficial, because whenever I will go for a refreshment by using the mobile, that time if I have told myself that now I have to take break for the 5 minutes, and I will take the mobile, and I will just will be interested to watch that videos, and it will ruin my whole 1 hour. Okay, so if you are reading books, then it will be very good for you. You will feel so refreshed, and you will get knowledge also. For getting knowledge of any kind, for any problem, for anything, any situation, you must read the books. These are very important while living life. And about the books, there are so lot of things to tell. Like the persons who are so rich today, they have also given a lot of importance to reading the book. They have made their special time to read the books. You can take the example of the Shah Rukh Khan, and other so many leaders like Akshay Kumar, and Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar. This all, and if especially about Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar, whatever things he has done today, whatever victory, whatever achievements he have done today, are only due to the books. In his whole life, whole life, he has only given importance to the book rather than the food, and rather than his own personality, or rather than any enjoyment. He has preferred to book. Whenever there was last moment of Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar, he told that in this whole life, if there is my any best friend, if there is any my real friend, then it is only a book. So from him you can just imagine that how important books are for us, for the human life, for anything. And books are very important, because like you have to do any work, you have to find any solution, that's time books are important. For And books you can find anywhere. There are libraries, and your school library, local library in the our town, every town has its library, so you can go and read there. Instead of doing your means useless work, instead of chatting with your friends, instead of playing which is not important, so you can go to library and read the book. So this is very important to read the books. And whenever the child is little, means just suppose he is only in the nursery, kg1 kg2, that's time, only that is the time to mold your child. Means he can do anything whatever you are telling him, because he has means his mind is like a blank paper. Whatever you will write on that, he will follow that the whole lifetime. Okay, so the every parent should use to read books to them, to their child, because it is important. Whenever you will develop interest in him to read about the books, about the attraction of book, that time it will grow up, and one day he will be a great book lover. Okay, so this is very important. And about means if you did not read the book, then what will happen? You will be totally unaware about what is happening. Newspaper is also a part of the book. Okay, because newspapers, like if there is any news today, if it is going to be a historic, like the pandemic corona, once upon a time, in the all the pages of newspaper, only there was only one news about, means the whole newspaper was full with the corona news. And whenever we will learn any book, syllabus book, after 2 years, 5 years, that's when the most important question will be about the corona. So this all are interrelated to each other, so you should realize this. And if you have to prepare for any examination, then books are must. You can't skip the book, because it is important. Like if you have to cross any bridge which is outside from your village. So you have to cross that bridge, and after only crossing that you can reach the another place. The same way book is like a bridge which leads you to the another side. So these are the importance of book. You should always remember this thing while doing anything, because if you said that books are so boring and I don't like to read the books because I am not interested in it, and instead of that I will uh, I will watch the videos, I will ask the help of my elders, or I will search in the Google. So that's time it will be not so many beneficial, because whenever you will go for the Google, that's time if you have any if you don't know how to use the mobile, then how will you use the Google? Okay. And whenever you will go, whenever, just remember in your mind that whenever you are taking the mobile, then you must be very strict to yourself that no, I have to do only this thing, and after that I will put off my mobile out, because it should not distract me from my original goal. And if you are looking for the book, then you will read only that particular situation. Okay. So these are the disadvantages if you use the mobile instead of the book. So books are very important. From the ancient time, books has given so many importance by the great leaders, by everybody. So these are the importance of book. You should always remember in your mind. So now I will advise you to read the books, because books are very important. It has a great use in your daily life. About if you are reading the monthly magazines or weekly magazines, so it will add in your knowledge, so that you will be aware about different things, and you will get the general knowledge, which is very important for your own development. So I will suggest you to read the books. And lastly, if you like our video, so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.